How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. At 1,000 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. I want to hit you with this real quick. I've already installed it, so stay all the way through. It was kind of a pain in the butt to get the old one off. Let's see what this 40-pound does. Okay, the 40-pound is going right through it. I'm just going to keep tension, keep it upward towards the actual spoiler so that it's not on the paint of the car. So one little piece, that's all we needed. $11, and voila, it's off. Look at this. And I know because putting on the side splitters and all that stuff, that 3M tape is like the common used item, but it is extremely hard to bend carbon fiber for one, and to get a proper seat on your actual 3M tape. So like on these side splits and stuff, there's some 3M tape, but there's mostly fasteners. You know what I mean? That's why I had to go to Home Depot and buy the self-tapping screws. Because look at this. It only sealed with the 3M on the very, very edge. Not in any of these portions. Look, and this is what I was talking about. How it's got all that crazy, like, super thick, clear epoxy sealant that they put on there to fill in the gaps. And it was touching here, but on the ends, it was popped up, so they just filled in the gap with that shit because it was not properly seated. And like I said, I understand because it's hard to get carbon fiber. Not all carbon fiber fits perfect. So, and you can't bend carbon fiber, you know what I mean? So I know it's a pain in the ass because like I said with the side skirts and stuff, but this is a no bueno. So I'm getting all this stuff off. Then I'm gonna get it cleaned up, get it waxed, get it buffed, and I'm gonna use the alcohol to strip it all down. Okay. Nice piece of carbon, extremely shiny. You can tell that it's real carbon fiber inlay right there. Looks really, really good. Let's see how much it takes up. Oh, perfect. It'll cover up so much of it'll cover up all that stuff. Oh, hell yeah. Holy cow. Damn. Yeah, I'm excited. I like it. I dig it. I love it. And it goes really, really good with that body line. I'm hoping this thing holds because even this one, look. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that blue tape, the painter's tape, and I'm gonna paint, or I'm gonna tape all this down. I mean, I know that tape's not gonna hold it extremely hard, but hopes it'll help keep it in place. Don't get ahead of yourself, stay patient, because if not, you'll rip it out and then all of this won't be sealed. Oh yeah. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Look how good it looks from this angle. Like you're walking up on it. Boom. Yeah, that looks damn good. Hell yeah. Really dig that.